Let's talk about the law of sines. So in any triangle, not a right triangle, but any triangle, we have angles A, B, and C. We write those with an uppercase letter. And then the sides across from them are written with a lowercase letter. So across from angle A, we have side A. Across from angle B, we have side B. And across from angle C, we have side C. And then you can set up the law of sines either with the sine of A over little a, so the sine of the angle over the side across from it, equals the sine of B over B equals sine of C over C. Those are angles for the capital letters, and those are sides across from those angles are the lowercase letters. Or you can put the sides on top and put the sine of the angles on the bottom. Either way is okay, you just have to be consistent. So let's look at two examples. So the first one, given triangle ABC, we have angle A is 115, and we have the side across from it is 123, so that would be little a. And then the side across from angle B is 16. And then we are trying to find angle B. So like this is our question mark. So we put 123, which is little a, over the sine of the angle across from it, which was 115. Equal to the 16, which is across from angle B, the side across, over the sine of the angle B that we're looking for. So then we cross multiply. So 123 times the sine of B is equal to 16 times the sine of 115 degrees. So for that reason, make sure your calculator, when you're typing these in, is in degree mode, and you'll get the right numbers. So you have 123 sine of B equals, and when I type that in my calculator, I get 14.5. Then you divide by 123, and you get 0.1179. Then the sine of B, we have to get rid of it. So we have to do the inverse sign to get rid of it. And that gives you 6.77. And then we always round angles to the nearest degree. So angle B is 7 degrees. Let's look at another example. So for this triangle, they did not label the angles, but I went ahead and put them in place as just A, B, and C. It would not matter how you label them, just put one in each corner. And then we're looking for the side across from the 116. So then we have little c, which is the side across from angle C. We have the angle A, we have angle B, so it's easy to find angle C because we have two angles, but this was not originally given in the problem. So I calculated that angle C was 34 degrees, and now I'm going to write that in the figure. And then I decided to say 19, I have the angle across from it, so I'm going to put those together. 19 across from the sine of 34 is equal to x over the sine of 116. It's important to pair the ones together that are across from each other, or you haven't filled in the formula correctly. Then you're going to cross multiply. So 19 times the sine of 116 equals x times the sine of 34. Type it in your calculator, make sure it's in degree mode, and you get 0.559 for the sine of 34. You still have x over there. 19 times the sine of 116 is 17.077. Then I just had to divide by 0.559, and I get the side x is equal to 30.5.